Welcome, beautiful soul. I wanted to start today by saying something that I think you might need to hear. Your body is not a problem to be solved. I know that might be hard to receive right now because we live in a world that has spent decades, your whole lifetime, telling you otherwise, telling you that your body is something to be managed, controlled, shrunk, tightened, anti aged, and apologized for the moment it stops cooperating with an impossible standard. And now, in your 40s, 50s, or beyond, your body is changing in ways you didn't fully sign up for. The shape is shifting. The weight distributes differently. The skin tells a different story than it used to. And some days, looking in the mirror feels like meeting a stranger. I hear you, and I want to offer you something different today. Not toxic positivity, not a command to love every inch of yourself by the end of this meditation, just a little more kindness, a little more curiosity, a little more willingness to see your body as something that has been working extraordinarily hard on your behalf for every single year of your life. That's all we're doing today. Coming a little closer, being a little gentler, finding our way back home to the body we're in. So, find a comfortable position and let your hands rest open in your lap or at your sides, and gently close your eyes. Let's begin with your breath. Not a special breath, just the one your body is already taking. Simply notice it. Notice the rise of your chest or belly as you breathe in. The gentle release as you breathe out. Your body doing this right now without any instruction from you, without any effort. Just quietly, faithfully keeping you alive. Take one breath that's a little deeper than usual. In through your nose, feeling your ribs expand outward, your belly soften and fill, and out through your mouth, a long, slow release, like setting something heavy down. And again, naturally now, just breathing, just here, just you and this body together in this moment. I want to take you on a gentle journey through your body, not to fix anything, not to assess or judge or compare, just to visit, to notice, to say, "Hello, I'm here. I see you." Start with your hands. Look at them in your mind's eye, or if you'd like, open your eyes and actually look at them for a moment. These hands, think about what they have held in your lifetime, the people they have touched, with love, with comfort, with care, the things they have made and built and cooked and written and created, the times they have reached out to someone who needed them. Do they look the way they did at 25? Probably not, but they are more capable now than they have ever been, more experienced, more knowing. Move your awareness now to your face, the lines that have appeared around your eyes, across your forehead, at the corners of your mouth. Every single one of those lines has a story. The ones around your eyes, from years of squinting into sunshine, from laughing until you cried, from the kind of crying that comes from loving people deeply. The lines at your mouth, from smiling, from speaking your truth, from holding your lips together when you were stronger than anyone knew. These are not flaws. These are evidence of a life fully lived. Now, bring your awareness to your belly, this place that so many of us have spent so many years at war with. I want to invite you to place one hand there now, gently, the way you'd rest a hand on the shoulder of someone you love. Feel the warmth of your own hand. Feel the rise and fall of your breath beneath it. This belly has digested thousands of meals. It has held nervous excitement before things that mattered. It has contracted with laughter and expanded with breath. And for many of you, it has grown and sheltered life itself. It does not owe you flatness. It does not owe you the shape it had at 30. It owes you nothing. And yet, it gives you everything every single day. Move your awareness to your legs, your thighs, your knees, your calves. These legs have carried you through every hard day, every celebration, every ordinary Tuesday that turned out to matter more than you knew. They have climbed stairs and walked through grief and danced when you needed to and held you steady when you wanted to fall. Do they look the way they used to? Maybe not. But they are still here, still carrying you, still showing up. And now your whole body, every part of it, the parts you love, the parts you struggle with, the parts you rarely think about, and the parts you think about far too much. This body has survived everything life has thrown at it so far. Every illness, every heartbreak, every sleepless night, every hormonal shift, every season of stress and grief and change. It has adapted. It has compensated. It has found a way. That is not ordinary. That is extraordinary. I want to offer you a question. You don't have to answer it. Just let it sit with you. What if your body was never the problem? What if the standard was always the problem, and your body has been perfectly, wonderfully, stubbornly itself this whole time? What if the energy you've spent criticizing this body, the years of it, what if even a fraction of that energy had been spent in partnership with it instead? You don't have to answer. You don't have to resolve anything today. Just let the question breathe. I'm going to offer you some words now, not as instructions, just as invitations. Take what fits and leave what doesn't. And know that even the ones that feel hardest to believe are the ones most worth returning to. My body tells the story of a life fully, courageously lived. I am allowed to be at peace with my body, exactly as it is today. The changes in my body are not failures. They are chapters. I choose to speak to myself with the kindness I would offer a dear friend. My worth has never lived in my appearance. It never will. I am grateful for this body, for everything it carries, endures, and gives. Today, I choose partnership over war. I am on my own side. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you, the sounds of the world outside, the feeling of wherever you're sitting or lying. Before you open your eyes, I want to leave you with one thing. The next time you catch yourself being unkind to your body, and it will happen because we're human and this work is ongoing, I want you to pause just for a second and ask, would I say this to someone I love? If the answer is no, and it usually is, try something gentler. Even just, this is hard. Even just, I'm doing my best. Even just, hello, body, I see you, I'm here. That is body positivity, not a perfect love story, just a daily choosing of kindness over criticism, a daily coming home. You can open your eyes whenever you're ready. Take your time. You've done something wonderful for yourself today. I'll see you next time.